Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to update your Tonkeeper password. If you are trying to change your password, you've come to the right place. Just follow this easy step and you'll be all set. First, open the Tonkeeper app. Make sure you are logged in into your wallet. To get started with changing the password, go to Settings by tapping the Settings icon in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll through the options until you find Security, then tap on it. Now, you'll see a few options including biometrics or Face ID, login screen, and change passcode. Go ahead and tap on change passcode. You'll need to enter your current passcode first. After that, you can set up a new passcode by entering it in the provided field. Once you've entered a new passcode, you'll be asked to confirm it by re-entering it. After doing so, your password will be successfully updated. And that's how you can change Tonkeeper password. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.